Contamination at CDC labs reportedly caused weeks of delays in rolling out coronavirus test kits to states that needed them. An FDA spokesperson told CNN the CDC broke protocol by making the test in their laboratories rather than in a manufacturing facility, which exposed the test to cross-contamination. The Washington Post first reported the FDA had to help sort out issues with the test in mid-February, as the CDC wasn't sure what was causing the test to be ineffective. While the testing was fixed within days of the FDA's intervention, the many weeks of delays prevented a widespread rollout of testing in the early days of the pandemic. Only about 1% of the U.S. has been tested, and that lack of testing is complicating efforts to ease shelter-in-place restrictions. A CDC spokesperson said the Department of Health and Human Services is investigating the matter. For Newsy, I'm Johanna Grenaway.